is you with it, nigga? That's how we living, nigga. I got these D's all on my back. Search warrants off for these traps. I pay my bail all in cash. Tell them pussy niggas I'm back. That's how we living, nigga. Well, is you with it, nigga? Well, is you with it, nigga? That's how we living, nigga. Come on.
Call me slipping no ratchet. $150, I'm back, bitch. Wires off my mouth, should put them on them niggas, they ratting. Osami got that Mac 10, 30 shells the minimum. And I keep that 7 on me, that's a 10-year minimum. That's if I get caught with it, them flatheads, they ball hit it. They ain't got no thinking cap. Homicides, they all with it. I'm still here, Allah did it. But I keep my rocket. If you see me with my shirt off, all that means just in my pocket. Mugging when you see me. Boy, you need to stop it, cause your gun ain't in possession. That's for me, you know I got it. $150, CFB, certified, yeah, I've been approved. My strap was in that polo bag. I was in that swimming pool. Buck was gotten into you, saying and it's pitiful. You against the city, and they wanna get rid of you. Okay, let's play. Strap on me every day, and niggas know my 411, and I ain't talking Mary J.